Namaste. Myself, JVN Professor K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Subject Animal Physiology and Endocrinology, and today we will discuss our next topic, that is the uricotalism. It is the third type of the excretion. What is excretion? The process of removal of non-gaseous nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, uric acid, along with excess of water, salt and pigment out of the body is called excretion. The main aim of the excretion is to keep a constant internal chemical composition called homeostasis. The principal waste are nitrogenous substances like ammonia, urea and uric acid, which are mainly formed from the protein through small amount of uric acid, are also formed in metabolism of nucleic acids. So waste material include nitrogenous substances like ammonia, urea and uric acid, carbon dioxide, pigment, drug, excess of water, inorganic salt, vitamin and hormones. These are the main waste products. So different animals expel different nitrogenous compounds. On the basis of nature of nitrogenous end products, there are three modes of excretion: ammonotalism, ureotalism and uricotalism. The two of these, ammonotalism and ureotalism, we have already discussed in our previous topic, and now we will discuss about the uricotalism. It is type of excretion in which main nitrogenous end product is guano containing crystal of uric acid. The animals showing uric acid या uricotalism are called uricotalic animal. It is a common method of excretion in bird, land reptiles जैसे lizard, snakes, insects, cockroach, land snail and some land crustaceans. Uric acid is formed from ammonia and purines यानी कि adenine and guanines, mainly in the liver, through slightly in the kidney of uricotalic animals, and is a high energy dependent process. कि यूरिक एसिड कहाँ बनता है? अमोनिया से और प्यूरिन से. कहाँ पर? लीवर के अंदर, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत किडनी के अंदर भी. और ये क्या है? हाई एनर्जी डिपेंडेंट प्रोसेस है. अमोनिया इज डिराइव्ड बाय कैटाबोलिज्म ऑफ प्रोटीन्स इन ह्यूमन बीइंग. मेन सोर्स ऑफ यूरिक एसिड आर प्यूरिन्स. प्यूरिन लाइक एडेनिन एंड guanines changes into xanthine, which changes into uric acid. In insect, uric acid is formed in the Malpighian tubule. Uric acid is least soluble nitrogenous waste, and 1 gram of uric acid needs only 10 ml of water to be expelled out of the body. So very less amount of water is required to remove it from the body as compared to the ammonia and urea. Secondly, the uric acid is least toxic nitrogenous waste, so does not harm if it remain in the body tissue for long period. ये नुकसान नहीं करता है ज़्यादा, जिस तरह अमोनिया को उसी टाइम पे एक्सपेल करना होता है. सो एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ यूरिक एसिड इज ऑफ ग्रेटर एडवांटेज टू लैंड एनिमल्स विच हैव लिमिटेड एक्सेस टू वाटर. जिन्हें पानी कम मिलता है उनके लिए ये यूरिक एसिड इज एक्सपेल्ड इन सॉलिड स्टेट. दो man is ureotalic in excretion, but small amount of uric acid is also present in his urine. It is formed by catabolism of purine of nucleic acids. In some reptiles and insects, the uric acid is further changed into the allantoin. So this is all about the uricotalism. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.